Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Akshita Vora, and I'm so glad to be back. This time I'm here with an exciting news, and I know I apologize every single time that I'll be more active, but believe me, this news will get me active from now on because this is my first ever YouTube collaboration and the brand is the Moms Co. I've been using their natural Vita Rich under eye cream from months now, and I'm so excited that I've got the entire kit. Let me show you, but before that let me tell you a bit about the brand. Now they have all the ingredients that involved. They are 100% natural nurturing ingredients. The company is Australia certified. There are feedbacks from hundreds of mom users, and there's so many people who are already loving their products, and I'm sure I'll be loving the CTM kit too and will be referring it to you guys as well. The best part is that the brand doesn't include animal abuse at all. There are no paraben, no sulfate, no mineral oil or toxic materials used. That is the best thing about the brand. And the entire CTM kit as well as the under eye cream, they have all the ingredients that our skin demands for, which works best in the later run for our skincare, which definitely promotes a healthy skin. Now let's have a look at the PR kit that I received. Okay, so guys, this is the PR kit from the Moms Co that I'm talking about, my first ever PR kit for my YouTube channel. I'm so happy. So let's unbox it, and we'll be using the products today itself to show you how they feel on my skin. So alright, this is the instruction manual kind of. Let's jump right into it. This is the step 1, which says natural Vita Rich face wash. We'll be getting into the specifications later on. Now this is the second step, natural daily face toner. And the third step, well, the third step is the face cream, but we also have the third step as the under eye cream, which I'll be talking about later on. This is natural Vita Rich face cream. I am so happy to be collaborating with the Moms Co, but I would also like to tell you that I've been using the Moms Co Vita Rich under eye cream for months now, and I'm so happy that today I'll be reviewing the entire kit. Let me tell you guys, this Vita Rich under eye cream works wonders. It reduces dark circles and no puffiness at all. Believe me, I've been using it and my dark circles are almost gone, and I'm so happy with the product. That's why I'm so excited for this video. So let's jump right into it. Now here I have the Moms Co Natural Vita Rich face wash, and now let's pump. 1 or 2 pumps would work great for the face wash, and I'm here after applying it on my face. Now let me tell you, it felt really gentle on my skin. The fragrance is absolutely amazing, and it has olive oil, vitamin C, B3, B5 and hyaluronic acid, which is the exact combination which we need to cleanse our skin and also hydrate it. It will give you the exact amount of hydration that you need, and also remove all the dust and all the impurities from your skin. And what all it says is, it also has witch hazel extract for its astringent property, making it great for oily or acne prone skin. Now for oily and acne prone skin, it will work absolutely and equally well. And now let's jump on to the next step, which is the toning, and which is an essential step in the skincare routine. Most people, they tend to forget or they tend to avoid it, but this is absolutely important, as the toner helps in removing all the nasties from your face that might be left over even after the face wash. The toner helps in doing so, and also it evens out your entire skin. Let's try it. Now let's use the Moms Co Natural Daily Face Toner. I don't have a cotton pad with me, so I'm taking the help of some cotton right here. Now I'm here applying this face toner applied on this cotton, since I don't have a cotton pad, which I absolutely regret right now. Now make sure you apply the toner on your damp skin and do not let it dry out completely. It is an essential step, and make sure you follow it. It is alcohol free, it has vitamin C and niacinamide, and I'll apply it on my neck as well. Well, I want to balance my skin tone entirely. It smells so amazing, let me tell you guys. It has green tea extract, 5 plant AHAs. What else do we need? Now it smells amazing, but I love it. That's why I'm emphasizing on it. And the next part, it balances your pH level. It is recommended for all skin types. And also what toner does is it tightens your pores and evens out the entire skin. Also that instant glow that you always look for, and also your skin feels rejuvenated and you can feel the coolness in your skin and it'll gently settle in. Now this is the Mom's Co Natural Vita Rich Under Eye Cream. Now the main ingredient here is coffee oil, and the next step is vitamin E and B3. What it does is reduces dark circles, puffiness and fine lines. Now this is the metallic roller, and when you roll it under your eyes, now let's do it. And now let the roller do all its work. Show you how relaxing and soothing it is. It will massage your under eyes and also improve the blood circulation. And now I'll do the same in the second eye. Well, it is recommended to do it at night, but just to show you guys, I'm doing it, but I'm also loving it. And guys, it has coffee oil, which is known to reduce the dark circles and puffiness, and also the hyaluronic acid and chia seed oil, which reduces fine lines, and even avocado oil for enhanced skin hydration. Now you can also use your fingers to help the product settle in entirely, and believe me, you'll notice the changes yourself. This is not my first time with the under eye cream, and I am emphasizing on it because it is essential. Now let's jump on to the last step, which is the face cream part. Natural Vita Rich Face Cream for anti-pigmentation, and it helps in evening out your entire skin tone. It comes with vitamin C, B3, B5, E and hyaluronic acid. Here I have it. Make sure you apply it on your entire skin. It has vitamin B3, B5, E, hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. Perfect for all skin types. No sulfate, paraben, mineral oil or toxic materials whatsoever. Comes with a pump feature, which is so good. It helps in the application. I feel so soft and the fragrance is amazing. And I am sure that I'll be noticing the changes pretty soon. You'll definitely be seeing the changes in my next YouTube videos, which I'll be surely making from now on.